Hello all. The topic we are going to see about today is types of charts. There are many types of charts available in for data visualization, which is very few. I'm going to explain today. Is those type of charts are bar chart, pie chart, line chart, area chart, scattered plot, and bubble chart. In types of chart, the main important thing which plays is types of data. Data is of many types and variety of types, and we can collect those data from multiple sources. So four types of data which I am going to tell now is nominal comparison, time series, correlation, and ranking. Nominal comparison is like quantitative values of the data. We can compare like in a particular, for example, in a supermarket during a particular period of time, we can get the data like how many number of visitors have visited during a particular time at the supermarket. Such kind of data would be nominal comparison. And then it's time series. Second one is time series. What is time series is like the data range will vary from time to time over a period. Like for example, population of a country will change over a period. That will come under time series. Then correlation. What is correlation? Two or more variables might give us a resultant like either it may be a positive or negative correlated to each other. Like here I have said like example comparison of height and weight. If the it might be positively correlated or negatively correlated. Why I'm saying positively and negatively correlated is like we cannot give assurance like if the weight is so and so kgs, his or her height would be over it might be if the weight increases, the height might also increase, or the height might decrease it, or it might stay in the same. So we cannot predict whether it might be if the weight increases, the height also increases, means it is positively correlated. And if the weight is decreasing and the height is increasing, that is oppositely attached, means it is negatively correlated. We can come to a conclusion like that. And fourth type of next type of data is ranking. Ranking data is if you are buying a particular product from a website, that product might be available through multiple sources, like multiple sellers will sell the particular product, and we can predict the sale of the outcome of the particular product through each and every seller using the rating. For example, if I am selling a pen through a website and that pen is sold by 5 different sellers, means using the rating given by the users, we can select to which seller we can trust and why so and so. And next two types of data are deviation and part to whole relationships. Okay, let's come back to types of chart. First one is bar chart. There are 4 different types of bar chart, namely vertical bar chart, horizontal bar graph, grouped bar graph, and stacked bar graph. Basically, how a bar graph is represented is like a rectangular bars. You can see here the representations like uh, vertical bar graph, horizontal bar graph, and stacked bar graph, and grouped bar graph. Grouped bar graph is like we can take a particular entity, and that entity is compared with 4 other things on the same node. And these are design best practices, how you can draw a bar graph and how you should not draw a bar graph. Next one is pie chart. Pie chart is called as also circle chart, summarizing a set of nominal data or displaying different values of the given variable a particular time. The different types of pie chart are simple pie chart, exploded pie chart, pie of pie, bar of pie, 3D pie chart. You can see the examples for a pie chart over here. Next one is line chart. Three different types of line graphs are simple line graph. The first one, first picture depicts a simple line graph. The second one is multiple line graph, and the third one is compound line graph. Here also you can see how a line graph can be drawn and how it should not be drawn. Next one is scatter plot. Scatter plot used to represent measurement between two or more variables over a range. It might be linear or non-linear. And here also you can see how it should be drawn and how it should not. Final one is bubble chart and area chart. Area chart is used for for analyzing few things in over a geographical area. That's what area chart is used for. And here are the example data set and how the information has been driven, and where it has been found that there is no null entities or data in it, and few other more. And that's it. Thank you guys.